So what is email marketing? Well, according to Wikipedia, email marketing is directly marketing a commercial message to a group of people using email. And it usually involves using email to send ads, to request business, or to solicit sales or donations, and it's meant to build loyalty, trust, or brand awareness. Or, to put it another way, it's direct mail for the 21st century. And email marketing shares many of the principles of direct mail. And if you've ever read anything by any of the great advertising men of the past, people like Claude Hopkins or David Ogilvy, they emphasize how speaking directly to the customer or the potential customer really helps you to get your point across. They talk a lot about sales letters, and really this is just updating it for the 21st century. However, compared to direct mail, it's much easier because you can set things up so that it runs pretty much on autopilot 24/7. And it's also much cheaper because you don't have to pay to have the letters printed out, you don't have to put them in envelopes, you don't have to stick stamps on them, you don't have to send them out in the mail. You can send everything by email. Now, this chart gives you the basics of how email marketing works. First of all, you drive traffic to a squeeze page, and a squeeze page is a page on a website that has a form where the visitor can enter their name and email address. And once they've confirmed that they wish to receive emails from you, they receive a free gift. And this free giveaway can be anything really. It can be an ebook, or it can be a video, or it can be an audio, or it can be a report. Anything that has a high perceived value and can be delivered right away digitally. At the same time, their name and email address gets added to the mailing list, and then emails are sent out to them on a regular basis. Now, obviously, the process is slightly more complicated than this, but this chart boils it down to the basics and gives you an idea as to how the whole system works. And you can use email marketing for all sorts of things. You can use it for generating sales, obviously, because you can connect directly with the customer. You're sending them an email, and so therefore you're communicating with them one-on-one. And you can also do things like email-only promotions, where you can send somebody a coupon that they can use to get a discount on the website, that sort of thing. And you can test the effectiveness of your campaign that way as well. And you can use it to build customer relations. Because if you write your emails in a way like you're writing to your best friend, then people will get to know you, and of course they'll get to trust you. And when people trust a retailer, they are more likely to buy something. And you can also use it to announce new products. And these can be your products, or they can be affiliate products that you're selling for somebody else and receiving a commission. And of course, all this leads to increased sales and higher profits for you, and of course more money for your business and for your family.